So my kids are named Caitlin and Kale, and I love their names, right? I'm looking at our list here, especially our younger ones. I think these names are so great. I just think they're really cool. And AALIYAH HAZLEY, perfect example right there. What a marvelous name. AALIYAH, a very happy 6th birthday to you, young woman. She is in Pittsburgh.
Pretty name for a pretty little girl. And we've got RHIANNE HORYNA celebrating 7 strong this year, a member of the HORYNA family.
How cool is that name? I love RHIANNE's name, and I love the way it's spelled. That's awesome.
Yep, she's in Frontenac.
How about this one? KEYARAH Wright. Love that name. Just the names of you young people. Wow. Did I just say that? The names of you who are growing up in front of us and sharing your birthdays with us are just phenomenal. I love it. KEYARAH, a very happy 18th birthday. And KEYARAH, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Grandma.
All right, and we've got KAYLA MEISTER turning 29 years old.
She's not 29 in that picture.
Nope, a little throwback picture there. I bet that was like a first day of school pic too.
I would love to know who got Kayla and who turned that in. That's great.
Yeah, I wonder what the story is, what's making the lady in the background laugh so much too. Kayla is from Carthage.
TRACI Baldwin is celebrating her 51st birthday. TRACI, a very happy birthday to you.
In Joplin, Roger Cornish turning
don't forget Doug.
Oh, did I skip? I'm so sorry, Doug. Doug Schlichting turning 61. Birthday was on Sunday, actually. Partying in Lamar and continuing all the way through today.
Happy birthday, Doug. Now go ahead. So you got excited because
I skipped ahead. There is Roger Cornish, who's 64 years old in Joplin.
Gail Alloway celebrating number 68. Gail wants you to have a great day as he celebrates his birthday and gets ready for Thanksgiving in Parsons.
Gary Murphy turning 78 years old this year. Happy birthday, Gary, in Iola.
Our good friend ROMIE PHILLIPS celebrating number 87 tomorrow. So on thing of, I tell you what, you want to talk about a feast out there. You got ROMIE's birthday, you've got Thanksgiving, and Moundville, Missouri is going to be rocking. And ROMIE, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from your entire family, and I hope you all are able to gather around the table with each other tomorrow.
All right. Susan Beitzinger. The little statement quote here from John makes sense now. Just trotting through life with the one I love. From John to Susan.
That does not surprise me from the Beitzinger. That is tremendous.
Happy birthday.
That is awesome. So for those of you who may know the VITTs, I had the opportunity to work with Miss Vera for a while, and Don and Vera, they're not only marvelous people, but obviously they're doing something right. They're celebrating 60 years of marriage. 60 years. They're in St. Paul. This anniversary is also going to double as a Thanksgiving celebration, as it actually is tomorrow. But Don and Vera, I want you to know that these anniversary wishes come from the 60 years of you together and the 3 daughters, the 4 grandchildren, and the 5 great-grandchildren that you have helped raise. Congratulations, Fitz.
All right. Birthday list goes on.
Party in War Dog Country.
Yeah, down in Miami, Nancy Adams and Jack Crow were celebrating birthdays along with
stop there.
Harold Hale, who's 21 years old. Happy birthday from Nanny.
My goodness. A whole bunch of partying going on in Miami. Speaking of great names, how about Coral Van Beesler? I think that's a beautiful name as well. Coral, happy birthday wishes coming from Grandma. Pat and Joe Nigaman, they are celebrating an anniversary tomorrow.
Oh, you skip one.
Oh, Donica Haggerty, my bad. Speaking of tomorrow, well, Donica is celebrating a birthday tomorrow, so happy birthday to Donica in Frontenac. And while Donica is eating cake and turkey and the whole 9, the Nigaman family, Joe and Pat in Columbus, they're going to be celebrating their anniversary as well. So happy birthday to Donica and congratulations to Joe and Pat.
All right.
What?
We got Ada Hutchcraft.
May I?
Sure.
because this truly does come from the heart. Ada Hutchcraft is one of the most dignified people that you will ever meet on the face of this earth, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you that have stuck with us through this birthday segment, I want you to know that you are not going to find a nicer, kinder, gentler human being in your life than what Ada personifies. And then I'm going to be like, Ada, how come I don't have a picture? Because I will find that out. But thank you, Tanya, for letting me grab that and wishing her a happy birthday.
Why don't you grab the next one too, because I got something to say.
It says Ada is a chaplain. It doesn't matter if Ada is a chaplain or not. I'm just telling you, as an actual human being, just the way that woman operates she's been a role model to me. I understood how to treat people after watching how Ada treats people. John and Janet Osha, they are celebrating their 59th anniversary. My goodness, we've got a 60th and a 59th. John and Janet, congratulations. They are celebrating in Duquesne. Isn't that something else? A 59th anniversary and a 60th anniversary. We're pretty lucky people around here.
Okay, so if you notice that we had a lot of birthdays on our list today who are celebrating tomorrow, it's because we're not doing our birthday segment tomorrow. Our newscast is a little bit different. We have a show at 5 a.m. and a show at 7 a.m., but our birthdays fall at 6:45, so there's national news going on during that time because of the Macy's Day Parade. And because of that, if we didn't get your Thanksgiving Day birthday on today,
or anniversary, still send it to us and we'll get it on Friday for you. But there will be no birthdays or anniversaries tomorrow. Thank God you've got that memorized, because folks, during the commercial break, I actually just had to ask Tanya, what's our schedule for tomorrow? Like, don't ever entrust me to do that.
I'll be holding his hand.
Okay, let's go back. Let's come back and wrap up this edition. We're having too much fun today.
Yeah, it's time to pull the cake out. We'll be right back.